D330 TURN CLEAN from Wessel-Werk has unique advantages over conventional floor brushes. Thorough pickup of heavy and light debris is easy due to the specially developed brush strip. The patented universal joint allows a 90-degree pivot and 180-degree swivel movement. This advancement allows vacuuming backwards and forwards or from side to side. Hard to clean areas are now easy to access. Never before has a hard floor been cleaned so easily. Total flexibility in any direction. D330 TURN CLEAN, the perfect solution for all hard floors. The 330mm cleaning path allows an efficient cleaning of large areas. The ease of movement allows the D330 to be used in confined spaces. D330 TURN CLEAN. Quality and innovation from Wessel-Werk.